A Stud Buddy. It's by far my favorite stud finder. Unlike your electric stud finders that beep, this is just a couple magnets that magnetize to the screws. 99% of the time they're on the actual stud itself. I just hung a TV yesterday using it. It works fantastic. Before I was using this, I was trying to use one of the electric ones. This is the electric one I was using. It catches the edge of your stud. I mean, this one, at least you're for sure on something. So I mean, you go up your wall, you can just get the screws all the way up the wall, right where your stud is. Just like that. Simple, easy, don't have to worry about batteries.